Meaning of headless.
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 Headless. The term headless is often used in the context of technology and computing. It refers to a system or device that operates without a graphical user interface, GUI, or display. Instead, it can be managed and operated through a command line interface, CLI, or remotely over a network. This approach can provide greater flexibility and control, but may also require more technical expertise to set up and use effectively. In summary, headless systems allow for remote and flexible management, but can be more challenging to configure and operate for those unfamiliar with CLI-based interfaces.